Exactly.
Okay, so we're doing the Fisher & Paykel dishwasher on the side mount. I have two options with this bracket. To do it either sideways and then to the gable, or to mount it on top and then to the plate. We don't have the plate here, we don't have the plywood, so we're doing side mount. And we're attaching the bracket right here. Oop. That's one. You have to cut this piece off because otherwise it's just gonna stick out and look ugly, so just with a pair of snips. Good. Good. Okay. So it's very low, we're gonna raise it up. Center bolt controlling the back leg height up and down. What you want to do is align with the same line of the cabinets to have it in line perfectly.